Topdon Tornado T120A Setup Guide. Master your power supply like a pro. Hi everyone, this is Hussein, and welcome back to Baabji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and everything in between. Before we dive in, a quick note. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. We follow fair use guidelines, and all images, clips, and references are only for review and education. All trademarks belong to their respective owners, and always follow manufacturer instructions and local laws when working on vehicles. Here's a question for you. Have you ever struggled with unstable voltage while programming a vehicle? Stick around and share your experience in the comments. I want to hear your stories. And hey, let's make a fun challenge today. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within 24 hours. If you enjoy this video, hype in the comments. It's quick, easy, and really helps this video reach more auto enthusiasts like you. Now, let's jump straight into the star of today's show, the Topdon Tornado T120A, also known as the T120A power supply. This unit isn't just any power supply. It was honored with the 2025 PTN People's Choice Award for a reason. It's designed to provide stable, intelligent power to vehicles with 12V batteries, making your programming, diagnostics, and repair tasks smoother than ever. So, what makes the Tornado T120A stand out? First off, it's a professional smart programming power supply capable of delivering efficient charging with adjustable current from 5 to 120 amps in voltage between 11 and 16.8 volts, with a maximum power output of 1,700 watts. That's enough juice to handle practically any 12V battery without breaking a sweat. This unit comes with 3 major charging modes and a 9-step smart charging process that balances charging speed with battery health. A clear dot matrix LCD screen makes operation intuitive, and 8 built-in safety protections, including reverse polarity, short circuit, and spark prevention, ensure complete peace of mind. The T120A is compatible with 12V lead-acid and lithium batteries, making it an all-in-one solution for your battery charging, automotive repair, and vehicle programming needs. Let's break down its key features in detail. Voltage steady, performance ready, provides stable voltage for consistent operation. Precision power for your varied demands. Adjust both current and voltage for different jobs. 9-step smart charging. Optimizes battery health while maintaining efficiency. Adjustable voltage and current. Flexibility for different vehicle requirements. Safety first. 8 protections to prevent damage or accidents. 1 charger for all. Works with both lead-acid and lithium batteries. Dead battery charge. Resurrect completely drained batteries safely. 12V battery repair and lithium support. Extend battery life and maintain stability. Now, let's talk about setting up the Topdon Tornado T120A correctly. Following these steps ensures maximum performance, safety, and longevity. Step 1. Let the fan complete its cycle. Every Tornado unit has an internal cooling fan. After use, allow the fan to run until it turns off completely before disconnecting AC power or turning the device off. This prevents overheating and protects your unit over the long term. Step 2. Choose the right power outlet. Standard 15 amp outlet. Perfect for jobs drawing less than 80 amps, which covers most routine operations. 20 amp outlet. Horizontal pin. USA and Canada required for high-demand tasks like programming new European vehicles or advanced electronic systems. Warning: ensure it's connected to a dedicated 20-amp breaker. Using a 20-amp outlet on a 15-amp circuit can cause serious hazards. Step 3. Mind the extension cord. If you're using an extension cord, it must match or exceed the wire gauge of your Tornado unit's power cord. Undersized cords can reduce performance, cause voltage drops, or even pose fire risks. Step 4. Always pre-charge the vehicle battery. Before starting any stable voltage supply operations, such as programming, key on engine off, KEO, diagnostics, module calibrations, or wheel alignments, fully charge the vehicle's 12V battery using your Tornado unit. This pre-charge step ensures a stable voltage supply throughout the process, which is critical for safe and accurate programming. By following these best practices, your Topdon Tornado T120A will perform reliably, safely, and efficiently for years to come. It's built for demanding tasks, so treat it right, and it will never let you down. So, the answer to our question, how to maintain stable voltage during programming, is simple. Always pre-charge the battery with a fully functional, properly set up Tornado T120A. Personally, I think the T120A is one of the best investments for any technician. It's versatile, safe, and extremely user-friendly. I want to hear your opinion. Have you used the Tornado T120A before? Did you notice a difference in stability compared to other power supplies? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Here's a fun tip. Did you know that using a high-quality power supply, like the Tornado T120A, can extend your vehicle battery's life by up to 30% when used properly? That's a real game changer for workshops and enthusiasts alike. And remember our challenge, 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in just 24 hours. Subscribe, share, comment, and hype this video to push it to the top. Thanks for sticking around till the end. And until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and happy diagnosing.